Okay, so hello and good day everyone. This is the third video. Okay, the previous video I made to show how to build an actual virtual instrument, but this time I'm going to show you that building a virtual instrument does not require you to build everything um, in details. You can build a sub virtual instrument. So you must go to File. Here at the right side, at the top corner of the right side, you choose File and create new virtual instrument. Okay, so every time you create a virtual instrument, it will give you two pages. One is front panel, and if you click Control E, you can switch to block diagram. Okay, I'm going to give you an example of how to create a sub virtual instrument. Let's say in this front panel, I right click to display control palette, and then I take numeric, for example. I pick numeric control and I place it somewhere, and I can just copy and paste actually, but no, it doesn't work. Okay, fine. I right click again, control palette, numeric, and numeric control. Right click, control palette, numeric. I take numeric control. I'm going to have 4 numeric control. And let's say I'm going to have one numeric indicator over here. So this is going to be, is supposed to be input, and this is supposed to be the indicator, the output. I'm going to rename this as an input. I go to the name, I right click, and I go to properties. I can just change the name as input 1. Okay. The same goes here, right click, property, input 2. Right click, property, input 3. And here is right click, property, input 4. And this is going to be a new indicator. Okay, so this is how the front panel looks like. Let's switch to the block diagram. I can control E, and this is the block diagram. Let's say in the process, before the input goes to the output, I right click, and from function, I go to numeric. I go to add, and I add another one of add, and then I right click, I go to numeric, and I might multiply. So I simply go to view, tools palette, and get the wire. I connect this thing with this thing, and it goes here. The same thing right here. And it goes. It doesn't work actually, but it's fine. Minor mistake, I'm so sorry. Going to take some time. All right. So this is how I wanted my block diagram to be, and I want to create a sub virtual instrument. I just select all of this, and I go to edit, and I choose create sub virtual instrument. So I will get this component, all of it inside this component. You know, if you go to the left side and the top corner, you can click this and you can actually edit the icon. So I'm just going to remove it using eraser. It's going to take some times as usual. Okay, once settled, and once I have removed all of the icon, I can edit the icon just like I wanted. So here, maybe I can draw box. And over here is another box. And then there is a box in the middle. Like this, for example. Then I shall add some color. I can pick red, for example. I go to fill. It turns out that it filled the black color instead of red. It's fine. Let's try it again. Supposedly, this is not what I mean. Cool. Okay, once finished, I can just click OK. And let's look at the left side, the top corner of the left side. You can see this thing appear, right? And when this thing appear, supposedly I need to go to the front panel. And you can see there is an icon appear just at the left of the icon I have already edited. Every rectangle here represent the terminal. So the left terminal, the left column of all the rectangle will be the terminal for input, and the right column of the rectangle will be for the output. How to connect our input to this SuBVI, to this terminal? I simply need to go to the tools palette and click wire. I fill the very first rectangle over here, and then I click input. You can see the color change to brown, and then I just click anywhere. It turns orange, which means that it has already been connected. It goes the same with other. Just click and fill all the terminal with our inputs. And this one is for output. I can just click numeric, and that's it for the output. All right. So that's our stuff. Supposedly it should be 100 because 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5 equals to 10. 10 plus 10 multiplied by 10 will be 100. So our virtual instrument works. Okay, so that's the end of the video.